In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Monday.com live chat support. Let's walk through exactly where to click and what to type so you can quickly get help whenever you need it. I'll take it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and on any main page, like your workspace or board view. Look up to the very top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see your initials in a small circle instead. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Get Help with a small question mark next to it. This is the main doorway into Monday.com support resources. Click Get Help to open the help area. Once you do that, a sidebar will slide in from the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is where you'll find different ways to get assistance. In this sidebar, look for the option that says Chat with Us. It's usually clearly visible and indicates that you're about to start a live chat conversation. Click Chat with Us to open the chat window. A chat box will now appear, typically in the corner of your screen. At first, you'll be interacting with an AI chatbot. This automated assistant is designed to give you quick answers to common questions. In the message field, type your question as clearly as you can. For example, you might write something like, "How do I create an automation?" or "I'm having trouble with my account permissions." The more specific you are, the better the suggestions and articles you'll receive. If the AI's responses don't fully solve your issue, or if you simply prefer to talk to a real person, you can escalate the conversation. In that same chat box, type, "Talk to a human," or just "agent." This tells the system that you want to be connected with a member of the support team. After you send that message, you may see a brief wait time while the system connects you. Once a support agent joins the chat, explain your issue clearly and include any relevant details, such as what you were trying to do and any error messages you saw. This helps them troubleshoot faster and provide you with the best possible solution.